Brazil's constitution had an article stating the transfer of the official capital of Brazil from its two historical capitals, Rio de Janeiro and Salvador de Bahia, towards a more centralized geographic location. This provision in Brazil's constitution existed since 1891, when the first Brazilian constitution was first drafted. The goal was to have a capital city that was more geographically neutral by literally being at the center of the nation. Its planned centrality wasn't only of symbolic importance, but it also aimed at promoting the development of Brazil's central region and a better integration of Brazil's entire territories. Although the location was exactly prescribed in 1922, the city would still not be built for another 24 years. It wasn't until President Juscelino Kubitschek ordered its construction that Brasilia was finally on its way to reality. The Brazilian government held a design competition where Brazilian architect and urban planner Lucio Costa was named the winner. Costa was officially the principal urban planner, while now famous Brazilian architect Oscar Niemeyer was the official principal architect. Oscar Niemeyer, being the principal architect, would design most of the important buildings in Brasilia. He would do so using Brazilian modern architectural principles. The goal was to provide an elegant, pristine, and most modern image, as this would be a modern capital city planned literally from scratch. Costa's plan of Brazil resembles much of the layout of an airplane, with the short body part being what he called the monumental axis, with longer curving wings on either side for residential, commercial, and other needed sectors. The monumental axis contains all the important government buildings, and the cultural complex, which contains all the important cultural buildings as well. Brasilia's design is internationally known for having applied the principles established in the Athens Charter of 1933. Le Corbusier published its proceedings in 1942, although heavily edited. Both the conference and Le Corbusier's document focus on the functional city. A key principle was the idea of how a city should have four independent zones serving the functions of living, working, recreation, and circulation. Brasilia followed this principle in almost all other elements prescribed by the Athens Charter in its design. The city was built in an incredible 41 months from 1956 to April 21st, 1960, when the city was officially inaugurated. Brasilia's population since its inception, according to census data, has grown from about 140,000 residents to an estimated 2 million in the year 2000. This huge increase in population has fueled by many migrants from all around Brazil, especially the northern region of the country, looking for job opportunities in this new city. Many of these have settled throughout the years in satellite towns around Brasilia. Many of these towns that were started by the original workers who built the capital.